This is Andrea with Fantastic Voyages. I am on the Disney Destiny, room 6110. This is a deluxe family ocean view with veranda. Category 4C. When you first walk in, you do have to have a card. You have the split bath on the right and the closets on the left. Let's start in the bathroom. This one has toilet in the sink. And then this one has your shower tub combo and sink. I like that they have the makeup in the darker, so you're not feeling bad messing up any white wash rags. You do have this corner with several shelves. You do have a hook up here. You have the European plug on this side. And then the US, and it looks like a C plug on that side. This room does sleep 5. So you have the upper berth that will come down into one bed. And in the closet, you would have seen the ladder that goes to it. This makes down into a twin. And then over here, and we don't have the key to open it, we'll see if our room steward can do it, but that will fold down like a Murphy bed. There is some extra storage over here, bunch of shelves. So this is what it looks like with the Murphy bed. Down, you have a light and a 2 little C chargers. Now that would normally go down into a bed as well. So plenty of space actually right here. If you do not need that 5th bed, if you need like a pack and play or something right here, it's very spacious, gives you a lot of extra room to put that. There are plugs. Down here you have a European plug. Looks like a couple of C's and the US plug over here. As past guests, we get some free gifts. Oh, hairdryer. This is a little cooler. Okay, we're gonna take a look at the balcony. They do have a child lock up here. And then you do have the lifeboats just below. That is it. Deluxe family ocean view with veranda on the Disney Destiny.